CheCko is a browser extension wallet developed by Resphere.io for the Linera blockchain. In this section, we will explain how to integrate CheCko into a web application. A step-by-step guide has been created to show the installation process of the CheCko wallet. You can find it in the installation section of the CheCko documents. In this section, we will explain how to install the CheCko wallet from both a pre-built package and the source repository. A guide for running MAS, representing microchain as a service, is also included for users who would like to set up their own MAS RPC endpoint. In this part, we will introduce how to install the CheCko wallet from a pre-built package on your Chrome browser. First, download the pre-built package from GitHub. We always upload the latest stable version of the pre-built package to GitHub. The package is provided as a compressed zip file. CheCko is actively being developed. Please continue to update to the latest version. Next, decompress the zip file to a folder on your PC. In this example, we decompress it into the Tools folder on partition D. After decompression, you will have the extension package in the d:/tools folder. At this point, we have the decompressed extension application of CheCko. To load it onto the Chrome browser, we need to enable Chrome's developer mode. Once developer mode is enabled, click the Load Unpacked button to open the file selection dialog. Navigate to the decompressed folder of the CheCko wallet and load it into Chrome. When the unpacked extension is successfully loaded, you will see the CheCko wallet in the Chrome browser's extension gallery. A new tab with a tutorial for first-time users will open each time you load the extension. Advanced users may want to install CheCko from the source code repository. In the following section, we will introduce the steps for installation from the source code. CheCko is built with the Quasar framework using TypeScript and the Linera WebAssembly (WASM) SDK. To start, we need to install Yarn. Since CheCko's source code is hosted on GitHub, we also need to install Git to clone the repository. CheCko depends on the Linera WASM SDK, which is compiled with the WASM pack. Before building CheCko, we need to install the Rust toolchain and WASM pack. The yarn command will install CheCko's dependencies. The yarn build:/WASM command will build the Linera WASM SDK, and yarn build:/bex will compile the Chrome extension package. After that, load the compiled extension into the Chrome browser using the same steps as for the pre-built package. In the pre-built CheCko wallet, we have embedded preset network parameters for the Linera Archimedes testnet RPC endpoint, which is deployed by Resphere.ai. However, advanced users can also run their own MAS RPC endpoint. To run a MAS RPC endpoint, compile it using the Resphere fork of the Linera protocol. Execution scripts are provided in the Resphere repository. For the first run, you can use the script. For subsequent runs, if you need to preserve existing data, follow the command instructions in the documents. In the next section, we will introduce how to create and back up an account with CheCko. Stay tuned.